If you've watched any television in the past 20 years, you've probably seen an ad for Colonial Penn. They like to heavily advertise on shows geared towards seniors, and for years their spokesman was Alex Trebek, the star of Jeopardy! Colonial Penn is a company that likes to pull a little wool over the eyes of unsuspecting seniors and confuse them with a cheap product that looks like a good idea at first, but the deeper you look, the worse it gets. Colonial's main life insurance plan that they advertise everywhere is their $9.95 a month plan. The price hasn't changed in over 20 years, and they claim it never will. Colonial wants people to believe they just want to help seniors have an affordable life insurance policy that all seniors can afford.
I'm Jonathan Lawson, here to tell you about life insurance through the Colonial Penn program. If you're age 50 to 85 and looking to buy life insurance on a fixed budget, remember the 3 Ps.
The 3 what?
The 3 Ps.
What are the 3 Ps?
The 3 Ps of life insurance on a fixed budget are price, price, and price. A price you can afford, a price that can't increase, and a price that fits your budget.
I'm 54 and was a smoker, but quit. What's my price?
You can get coverage for $9.95 a month.
I'm 65, retired, and take medications. What's my price?
Also $9.95 a month.
Now, unfortunately, that $9.95 plan helps almost no one and leaves the families of seniors wondering where all the money is once their loved one eventually passes away. If you think I'm lying, a quick trip over to their Better Business Bureau page will reveal their 1-star rating, with hundreds of angry customers voicing their disdain with having to deal with this horribly misleading company. While the complaints on that page are numerous, one of the main issues a lot of people have is with how the company advertises their plans to seniors. It's a policy where someone pays into an insurance premium every month, and then when they unfortunately pass away someday, the insurance company pays out the total to the surviving family members of the loved one lost. Many seniors get these plans so that when they pass on, their kids can use the insurance money to pay their final expenses, like burial costs or cremation. With the average funeral cost now running around $7,000 in the US, that's a lot of money to most people. Life insurance, if it's a good policy, can pay for that and not leave your children having to burden the cost of it. The issue with Colonial Penn is that they leave seniors to believe that their $9.95 plan is a great deal that everyone can get since there are no medical requirements, and they always advertise that your acceptance is guaranteed in all of their ads. When seniors see this plan, they sign up, pay their $9.95 a month, and then believe they have set their kids up for when they will eventually pass on, but that's almost always not the case. What Colonial doesn't advertise in their ads is that their $9.95 plan offers so little coverage that in most cases it will never be able to cover anyone's final expenses. The younger you sign up for their plan, the more you get. However, if you sign up with the first chance at 50 years old, after you pass away, your beneficiary will only get $1,600 if you were a man or $2,000 if you were female. The older you are when you sign up for the policy, the less will be paid out as well. A 70-year-old after passing would only leave $689 to their beneficiary if he was a man, or $1,000 if it was a woman passing on. At 70 years old, paying $9.95 a month, you would only need to live just 6 years, and you could have put that $10 a month into a savings account and end up with a bigger nest egg for your kids than the insurance premium would end up paying out. These plans are deceptively bad, but continually get pushed by the company because many seniors are on fixed income and think they are getting a great deal when they aren't. Another big issue with their plan is that it has a 2-year waiting period on payouts. What this means is that if a senior signs up for the $9.95 plan and then passes away before hitting 3 years with the policy, the company isn't required to pay out the death benefits of the policy. It will often pay back whatever amount was paid into the policy at that point, but almost never more than that. In order to receive a larger amount of death benefit payouts, you need to pay more money. Colonial Penn deceptively markets their $9.95 plan as 1 unit of insurance. If you want more payout, you need to buy more units of the policy every month. So 2 units of the $9.95 plan would run seniors nearly $20. Colonial Penn, because of their constant advertising and the fact that the $9.95 plan lets anyone into the program, also has much higher rates if you want their premium plans compared to other life insurance companies. If you wanted a $5,000 payout on your death, this would cost significantly more. The situation only gets worse if you end up scrolling through the countless 1-star reviews on their Better Business review page. Difficulty and long wait times on payouts seem to be the norm for this company, while difficulty in communication also seems to be a major issue as well. The company trying not to give full payouts and even sending payout to the wrong address are all listed as complaints as well in their ever-growing list of 1-star reviews. Seeing a company that tries to take advantage of seniors in their final years, a product that ends up providing almost no help for their loved ones once they pass, is truly a scumbag thing to do. Ripping off senior citizens seems to be a profitable business model for a lot of companies and celebrities. It's unfortunate that Alex Trebek worked for Colonial Penn for so long when they offer such a terrible product, and from the reviews seem to provide some of the worst customer service possible. If seniors want life insurance to cover their final expenses, almost every other company that offers it would seem to be a better option than Colonial Penn. This company spends millions on advertising on programs seniors watch on TV with the hope of tricking them into thinking they are getting a great deal, when in reality the only one truly benefiting from this deal is Colonial Penn.